For floor grander, the space limits always are a tricky problem. This big guy can meet the large area, can't meet the narrow space. This small guy can use in the narrow space, but if you are in the large area, cost much labor cost. It's really hard to find a grinder that can work in the narrow space and large areas at the same time. Our Jinkun series grinder balance compact body and strong power. They fit narrow corners and small rooms easily. No need to compromise on the construction. When we see panels all sides is basically perfect. Say goodbye with